Unraveling the Charm, Understanding Silver-Tongued Devil. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have come across: silver-tongued devil. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a fascinating layer to your English language skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Stay tuned to become more familiar with this captivating phrase. At its core, the phrase, silver-tongued devil, is used to describe someone who is very skilled at speaking in a way that is persuasive, charming, or flattering. The word, silver, in this context refers to the speaker's eloquence, likening their smooth and persuasive language to the precious and appealing nature of silver. Meanwhile, devil hints at a sense of mischief or deceit, suggesting that while the person might be charming, they may also have ulterior motives or be untrustworthy. Combining these ideas, a silver-tongued devil is someone who uses their eloquence for persuasion, possibly with a hint of manipulation. The term, silver-tongued, has been around for centuries, used to describe eloquent and persuasive speakers. Adding devil to the phrase adds a layer of caution to the admiration of someone's speaking abilities. This combination likely evolved over time to suggest not just skill in speech, but also the potential for using that skill in less than honest ways. The phrase captures the dual nature of persuasive speech. It can be both admirable and dangerous. Understanding the nuance of the phrase is key to using it appropriately. Here are a few examples. Compliment with caution: he's such a silver-tongued devil. He could sell ice to Eskimos. But watch out, he might just talk you into something you'll regret. Acknowledging skill: you have to admire her, really. She's a silver-tongued devil when it comes to negotiations. With a hint of admiration: I can't stay mad at him. He's a silver-tongued devil and knows exactly what to say. Using the phrase in conversation shows not only your command of the English language but also your understanding of the subtleties of human character and persuasion. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, silver-tongued devil. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this complex and colorful term as much as we did sharing it with you. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and nuances they carry. Keep this phrase in your linguistic toolkit, but always be mindful of the charm and challenge it represents. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fascinating insights into the English language. Happy learning!